What do you want?
Okay,
All right, this 55 should be on the left side there. I'm watching the map too much. I thought the battery quit there for a sec. Oh, fuck. If we can get to the 53, I'd be really happy. Or what is it, 55? The Black Canyon of the Colorado. That's what it's called. If you see me looking at the map and pointing toward shore real close, let me know. Whole bunch of places out there man's never walked and never will walk. So we should be going around this corner here. This is a pretty fucking major corner here. We're still moving at a nice clip too. Whoa, there's a big one. Hell, that's probably 30 feet down right there. if we go around this corner here, I'm trying to figure out, maybe somebody took off or it got knocked down or something happened to the 55. Give me your pipe, would you?
I tried to get it right for your paw.
I don't know where. Ooh, lucky it didn't. Boy, oh boy. Here, you just throw it right there.
Oh. I can do that.
I'm pretty sure the one we saw yesterday, or the last time we were at Walmart, was a 50 thrust too. Boy, that'd be pretty cool, I think. Dual engines. A dual engine rowboat. How many people can say they have one of them? Huh? Seen that one coming. Yeah, you learn to read the water, you know. So if a 56 is coming, it'll be on the right hand. 55 should have been on the left hand. Now on this nav it's just pretty straight, but you see we're taking a curve here, so you could move that dive gear out of there and turn around if you want. No, we can get to the next marker is going to be important. Yeah, I walked into Walmart and he had like 5 or 6 of these. I said, I need a battery. He says, which one? I says, I need all 6 of them. I actually got the receipt for it. I was looking at it yesterday and going through all my papers. So we're going to go to the license branch, make sure we got registration for everything. Go to the DNR, make sure we got registration for everything, you know. Start carrying them around. They're supposed to carry them around in those little buoys, you know. Do you see the... I don't even see the catwalk anymore. Look for a number. Which one? On the left or the right?
On the left and the bottom.
I don't see it, but...
It's a green and white sign.
So that would be 55. I don't see it. Is it before or after those bushes? By that...
The rock is red.
Yeah. Well, that's funny. That's like saying,
Oh, no,
see that piece of wood and house? You see that wood piece on that wooden house? Look at the holes there. I wonder what made those. I do see a sign.
Yeah.
It's a white one.
Yeah.
So it's on the left, so that's got to be 55. So as soon as we go around this next corner, that'll be 56. Right after the corner, we should hit 56. Now, doing it like, you know, if we can make it to 56, then you can, or even 55, you know, you can kind of graph it, and we should have enough.
1 hour, 5 minutes in.
My battery's probably running low too. It looks like DNR again.